We prepare P&L and balance sheet under financial statement. What is the meaning of financial statement? If you know this format means you got 6 marks. Under Companies Act 2013, you have a schedule called salary to employees, employee benefit expenses. Two things we have. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So, we are in the first session of topic called Financial Statement of a Company. So, it is one of the most important, as well as if you go for graduation, post-graduation, everywhere you will get this topic, the topic called Financial Statement of a Company. What do you mean by financial statement? What we prepare in financial statement? Yes, it is your final report, nothing but profit and loss account as well as balance sheet. We prepare P&L and balance sheet under financial statement. Financial statement also includes cash flow statement. So, in your second PU, we have only basic concept of financial statement. You will not having the advanced problem. Why? Because your whole topic covers only 6 marks. How much marks? Only 6. Only the basic format. Just you have to remember the format. Whatever given in the question, copy paste. That much only you have to do. Easily you can score 6 marks. Before we go to your financial statement, first we will understand what do you mean by financial statement, how to prepare, everything we will learn. Now, as per your syllabus, under financial statement, we prepare two things. One will be profit and loss account. Last one, balance sheet. Profit and loss account and balance sheet. Earlier we had horizontal format, right now we have vertical format of balance sheet. So this is as per Companies Act 2013. So whatever the financial statements we prepare, that is as per Companies Act 2013. Now, earlier it was very easy. It was liability, this side asset. Under asset we had fixed asset and current asset. Under liability we get three things: shareholders fund, non-current liability, current liability. This was your balance sheet. Now the same procedure, same thing we follow, but we do it in vertical format. Vertical means your liability and asset. We learn about your balance sheet later. First we will learn your profit and loss account. Before that, your financial statement. What is the meaning of financial statement? This is your 1 mark question. Financial statement are written records that convey the business activity and the financial performance. If you want to see whether the company is running under good or bad, if you want to see the company's activity, if you want to know the performance of your company, then you must have financial statement. Now, what are the financial statements? These three we call it as financial statement. First one, balance sheet, income statement. Income statement nothing but profit and loss account. And the last one is cash flow statement. These three we call it as financial statement. Cash flow we already completed for 6 marks, and in your financial statement you will get balance sheet and income statement. For 6 marks you have to prepare any one. They may ask you balance sheet or else they may ask you income statement. Statement of profit and loss account, a simple format. So this is a format you have to remember, easy to remember. If you know this format means you got 6 mark. Again I'll repeat, if you know this format means you got 6 mark. Now revenue from operation. Remember, in your question paper, they may give you revenue from operation or sometimes they will give you as sales. Sales and revenue from operation both are same. And again, one more adjustment you may get for sales. They will give you cash sales and credit sales. Cash sales sum 10 lakh, credit sales sum 20 lakh. Now, what is your revenue from operation? Yes, you should add both. What is your revenue from operation? Your revenue from operation is 30 lakh. Clear? Yes. Now, revenue from operation. One more name for revenue for operation is called sales. Now, for sales, you may get adjustment like they will give you cash sales, credit sales. If they give you like cash and credit, what we should do? We should add both. The 30 lakh will be your revenue from operation. Clear? Yes. Any doubt in this? No. This is done. Other income. Other income need not to worry. Why? Because they will give you directly. Other income is 10,000. Other income is 20,000. They will give you directly other income. Just you have to add. Now, revenue from operation plus other income, you will get total revenue. Clear? Revenue from operation plus other income, you will get total revenue. Your first step is done. Your first step is done. Now, the second step is called it as expenses. Now, cost of material consumed, they will give you directly. Purchases, they will give you directly. Employee benefit expenses, like whatever salary given to employees, whatever pension, benefit, leave encashment, bonus. If you give anything to your employees or workers, we call it as employee benefit expenses. Once again, I'll repeat. Any benefit given to employees like salary, bonus, leave encashment, all comes under employee benefit expenses. Easy to identify. Now, finance cost. What do you mean by finance cost? You have taken loan of rupees 10 lakh. On that, you are paying interest. That is finance cost. What is finance cost? You have taken loan. On that, you are paying interest. That is called finance cost. Done. Depreciation will be given directly. We have to consider. Other expenses. Other than these three, if you find anything, we call it as other expenses. Small expenses like bad debts, electricity bill paid, fuel expenses, repair charges, everything we call it as other expenses. Now, add everything, you will get total expenses. This is 2. Your step 1 is what? Total revenue. Total revenue you got, total expenses you got. Now, from total revenue, if you minus your total expenses, you will get profit before tax. What you will get? Profit before tax. After doing profit before tax, what you should do? Yes, you should minus tax. You should minus tax. If you minus tax, the final answer is called as profit for the year. This much only you have to do. They will give you everything directly. Just copy paste work you have to do. So this is a format of profit and loss account. Without seeing board, just recall. Without seeing board, you have to say now what is the format. Yes, first one is revenue from operation, means sales, plus other income. What you will get? Total revenue. After that, we'll go for expenses, cost of material consumed, purchases, finance cost, depreciation, other expenses. If you add everything, you will get total expenses. From that, minus what? Tax. Whatever tax they have given, we have to minus. The final answer is called as profit for the year. Clear? Yes. So I'll go out of this screen, take screenshot or write on the format. If you learn this format, your chapter done. This much only you have to do. Write on this format. Hope you are done with this format. Now we'll go for one simple problem. It is not simple, it is your question paper problem only. I have not altered exact the same your question paper problems only we are solving now. This will be your question. From the following information, prepare statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Per schedule. As per schedule means what? Companies Act 2013. We call it as, under Companies Act 2013, you have a schedule called, just format I have given, no, that is only your schedule. Now, revenue from operation, you know where to write. Purchase of goods, easy. Salary of 2 employees goes where? Employee benefits. Employee benefit expenses, both goes same. Finance cost, easy. Depreciation, easy. Tax also easy. We'll do this problem. Yes. Recall your format. We'll solve this problem. Remember, revenue from operation how much? 8 lakh. Revenue from operation 8 lakh. Any doubt? No. Other income, I'll go back to question. Other income they have not given in the question. So, other income is nil. Total revenue is 8 lakh. Any doubt up to step 1? This we call it as step 1. Now go for this step 2. Under expenses, we have cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed not given in the question. Now, it is not given. Purchase of stock in trade. Purchase of goods, how much they have given? 4 lakh. So, purchase of stock is 4 lakh. So, this is done. Employee benefit expenses they have given. Now, we have salary, we have employee benefit expenses. Salary is how much? 40,000. Employee benefit expenses how much? 10,000. So, we have two things for this. For that, small working note number 1. Working note number 1. In this, employee benefit expenses. I am using shortcut. Please don't follow this. Why? Because in your examination, you should write completely. No shortcuts. Now, under employee benefit expenses, we have two things. Salary to employees, employee benefit expenses. Two things we have. Salary, 40,000. Employees benefit expenses 10,000. Total how much? 50,000. So salary goes to whom? Employees. Benefit goes to whom? Employees. Both comes under 1. Total is how much? 50. Employee benefit expenses. This is working note number 1. Your answer is how much? 50. Why this column means whatever working note you have done, that number you have to mention. Now this is done. Finance cost. How much is finance cost? 40,000. Now your finance cost is 40,000. Next, depreciation and amortization 10,000. Depreciation and amortization 10,000. This is also done. Other expenses we will check. There are no other expenses other than tax. So it will be what? Yes, nil. Total expenses, add everything. 4 lakh plus 50, 4 lakh 50 plus 40, 4 lakh 90,000 plus 10,000. The answer is 5 lakh. Any doubt up to this? Hope no doubts. Total. So your step 2 is done. Your step 2 also done. We'll go for step 3. Very easy. Step 3. Profit before tax. How to calculate? This is your step 1. This is your step 2. So 8 lakh minus 5 lakh. 8 lakh minus 5 lakh. Your answer is 8 minus 5. The answer is 3 lakh. What is your answer? 3 lakh. Up to this, any doubt? No. Now, the last one is current tax. So, in this problem, what is the tax percentage is given? We'll go back. In this, they have given tax 30%. Now, 30% we will calculate. Again, come to working note. Working note number 2. What is the tax? Now, what is your answer? 3 lakh. 3 lakh multiplied with 30%. Your answer is 90,000. What is your answer? 90,000. You should mention here, it is 30%. Your tax is 90,000. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt. So, we are going as per the question and we are going as per the format. I have not even changed single word also. Same format I am following. Now, this is done. 3 lakh minus 90. Remember, tax always minus, not adding. Your income is 3 lakh. You are paying tax of 90,000. 3 lakh minus 90,000. How much you will get? Yes. Your final answer, 2 lakh 10,000. This is your 6 marks complete question. Clear? Yes. Profit for the year, 2 lakh 10,000. This is your complete profit and loss account. Again, I will go out of the screen. Take screenshot. You have working note, calculation, everything. In examination also, you should follow the same thing. I'll go out. Just take screenshot of this. Hope you're done with this problem. So this is all about your today's session. We understood what do you mean by financial statement of a company, as well as how to calculate of your profit and loss account as per Companies Act 2013. Today's homework, very simple. Same problem without seeing the format and your complete answer you must do without seeing your answer. Thank you.